back up as slow as possible with your foot on the brake. Don't turn the wheels. Keep them right where you're at. Hold on.
What's up, dude?
What up, bro? I'm here at the Chevron.
Okay, well, we're at the McDonald's parking lot.
Oh, man, yeah. So this is going to be great. Even though you told me to pack a lunch and pack drinks and pack all that stuff, we totally did it. So we're here. We're going to top off gas, and then I guess we're going to have to get McDonald's. I'm going to have to get drinks from the grocery, but we are winging it, bro. That's what we do on Straight Up Driven. We wing it. So Robert did say, so Robert is the mechanic for one of our businesses. He works on all the cars before the cars go to the auction, which we'll do in some future episodes. So he is the master mechanic. So he runs a Jeep crew. We don't normally off-road. We're beginners. We're just going to be honest. We're going to be straightforward with you guys on every video we do. So this is our first off-roading experience with them. They invited us to come out. We're going to learn a lot. Hopefully we don't break anything, but he said pack a lunch, pack this. You're going to be off-roading for 6 hours. We didn't pack anything. First off-road adventure with Robert. If we break the Jeep the first time, we will be scared to come back off-roading with you, Robert.
That'd be fine, dude.
So it's going to be an experience. It's going to be an adventure. I hope we make it back, Sky. They told me to bring a change of clothes in case we broke. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but they said pack food, water, and a change of clothes in case you get stuck out here and you break. Wow. How do you feel about that, Sky?
Man, I'm kind of nervous.
Look at these vehicles, bro. Look like it's just as much money as one of the exotics. Like, I'm super excited. He's disconnecting parts on the brand new Jeep because we cannot go off-roading with the links attached, I guess. Okay, so we got to put those back on before we drive on the highway.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Simple, easy peasy. Gotta go to the harder trails after this.
The what?
The harder trails. This is the medium trail. You gotta realize, like, you drive exotics and you're driving 100 miles an hour.
Right.
Now you're gonna go from 100 to 1.
1 mile an hour?
1 mile an hour on some parts of this trail.
But Robert says we could do more damage doing 1 mile an hour than sometimes when we're doing 100 miles an hour. In the,
right.
Okay.
So it's all about, like, changing your mindset. Like, you can't drive on top of the rocks. You gotta drive, well, actually you wanna drive on top of the rocks, not over the rocks. Put your tires on the rocks. Okay. Which, in all mentality, like, you wanna avoid it, right? So.
Do you notice he's smiling the whole time he's saying this?
Yes. Yeah.
Kind of scaring me.
We're off-roading, Sky. Gonna see how the Jeep holds up on its first off-roading trail. Okay.
So this would be this is 2N17X. This is the start of the trail, and this is this would be called the gatekeeper right here. Keep you on the high side, okay?
Keep them right where you're at. Hold on. We're gonna try forward, slow.
All right.
Okay. Go park over there.
I almost flipped the Jeep on the first obstacle. Let's go. And they said this was the easy trail, bro. There's definitely a lot more to this than I originally thought. But we are having a blast. I'm already on the right side. So should I back up and take the left side? All right, let me back up. So should I go up the right or should I follow you? Sure. Oh, wow, you got enough height and flex for it. Oh, that don't feel like we're flexing. Hey. Haven't got a view like this on an exotic car rally, that's for sure. Don't get me wrong, I still love the car rallies, but now we're off-roaders and car ralliers. Maybe we're gonna do it all. We're gonna have to do snowmobiles. We gotta try everything and see what we like. Life's all about experiences, and life's too short not to try to experience as much as we can. Right, Sky? You're down. We're gonna do all of this.
Good call, 50% agreed.
50%. We gotta risk our lives to put this out there for people to see what they wanna do. Wow, look at this one. Yikes. Yeah, this one is the second worst of the day. This could be tough.
This side's flatter.
Oh, good Lord. Pull up.
Keep your wheel speed up. Keep your momentum going.
Well, I only had the Jeep for less than a month. That one got the blood flowing. Let's go get some more.
Oh, wow.
Was a good day. We're almost to the end. All good things have to come to an end, but we're definitely gonna do it again. I don't know, what are we doing this next week, Sky?
I don't know what the adventure holds.
You sound a little nervous with that, Sky.
I was waiting for it too.